a bike safety check or a bike roadworthy check. The more basic way to do it is like to check it in the way of an M, the letter M. So we start with the M, we start at the back, we check the rear wheel, if the wheel is properly tightened, we then move up, check the brake, the calipers is nicely tightened, we also check on the seat clamp is nicely tightened, and then we also check if the seat is nicely tightened. This is an accident waiting to happen. So we now need to take a spanner or a wrench to tighten the seat bolt so that this, okay. So we then go down towards the crank. We check this by pulling the crank arms. If it's nicely tightened, we also check the pedals. If it's fixed onto the crank arms, we then move up towards the headset of the bike. We then do a headset check. We put the front wheel in between our legs. We then move the handlebars to see if it's properly tightened. This is another accident waiting to happen. You see the front wheel is between my legs is standing still, and by turning to make a left turn and you turn the handlebars, but the wheel is still going straight. So this is another accident waiting to happen. That's why a bike, before every ride, a bike checkup or safety check is very important. Now to fix this problem, you need to have like a, what you call an Allen key set. It's got various sizes of Allen keys and even like the two different types of screwdrivers. So now to fix this, we need, I would say, I think it's a 5 Allen key. We then, this is a 5, it should be a 6. So to fix this problem, we then now have to tighten these two balls. We do it by tightening in small increments on both to prevent the thread from slipping or over tightening the one bolt more than the other one. Okay, let's see it now. So we tighten it. Okay. The top bolt is only to remove any slack in between the handlebar stem and the fork. I need to complete my M, so now the headset is fixed. So now we go down to the front brakes, it's working, calipers is working. Also now check the front wheels properly tightened. So now you have done your bike M checkup. So now the bike is roadworthy. You go on the road, but now we come to the cyclist, and without the helmet, the cyclist is not roadworthy. So proper safety equipment and roadworthy bike, you are free to go on to the road.